Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to register for Janitor AI. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Janitor AI. After that, open the official website and you will be redirected to the home page. Now, any characters you create will be displayed here. Note that in order to create a character, you will first need to create an account. After that, click on the register button at top right corner and you will be prompted to enter email and password. Once entered, click on this checkbox and then select Register. Now, you will need to access your Gmail account and open the mail. Inside it, click on the Confirm button and this form will open up. Now, enter the required information along with a picture. Once done, click on the Update Profile button and you are good to go. You can also click on your account profile and start creating new characters. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.